Today we are making paper footballs, finger football, foot touchdown. So we're gonna be making that with paper. Excuse me, and don't mind me sneezing if I do. So fold it long ways, like so. Then fold it long ways to half one more time, and then alright, fold it, make a nice crease, and then and then you fold it this way, like so. Right, then you fold it again, like so. You keep doing this till it gets short, and then I'll show you the way to do that. So I am going to pause it, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is what you're gonna get. You're gonna get this. Then, like so, you see this little pocket right here? I'm not sure if you can see that too well. But do you see that? It opens. There's a little pocket right here. Right there. And you fold that in there. Like so. Like it's kinda hard to fold, so you can do it again if you wanna try. So oh gosh, it ripped. That's alright. It's alright. It's okay if it rips. It's alright. We're gonna do it again. Oh no. Okay. It's kinda hard to fold in. It's really hard to fold in. But it's alright. Alright, I think I got it to fold in. Yes, got it. Got it. Cool. Alright, now that you have it folded in, go like this. Alright guys, that's how you make them. Alright, and I'm gonna pause it, grab a friend, and I'm gonna show you how to play. Okay.
Alright, so my name is Jaden. I haven't been in the video yet. And
Yeah.
Yeah.
My friend. So we're gonna
play
show you how to play finger football.
Finger football.
We're gonna show you how to play finger football. Let's go. Go.
Okay, so you have to have
So you grab
two
the football that I showed you how to make in the first part, and then yes, you need two people. Jesus. And then one guy flicks it, and one guy puts their hands up. Okay. Puts their hands up like the goalpost. Now I'm gonna flick it. He's gonna be the goalpost. Jeez. Right, 3, 2, 1, goal.
Yeah, and then look at, if you don't know how, put it on the table like here. Put it on the table like this.
Like so.
Oh,
How's that? Put it.
give me that.
What?
Put it on the table like this.
Yeah. Right. Oh, that was a good one. Yeah. Of course, the teacher would have did. Right. So like this. Hold it on the table.
Got it.
That was awesome. Oh, yeah.
What are you guys supposed to be doing?
We're making a YouTube video. We're showing how to play. and I showed him how to make it. Right, so that's the end, guys.
Yep.